Hello my darlings, welcome. I am C and this is CeeJ DIY. Today I got super cute vintage St. Patrick's Day DIYs and I'm gonna show you how quick and easy I made them. I am using one 8x10 glass frame. After I remove all those tags, and I'm gonna remove the back of the frame, and I'm gonna try to remove all those letters that they're on the glass. To remove the letters, I simply use a razor and easily all those letters were gone in a bit. To make sure the whole glass is nice and clean, I just use a wet towel and went over and made sure there was nothing left behind. On the plank that is coming with the frame, I'm just removing the tags because I'm gonna use that back of the part from that sign. On the plank, I'm going to be adding those ribbon transfers and I'm just going through all those sheets and see which one is going to look the best. Also, I'm going to be adding some of those cutouts. Those are window clinks cutouts and they're coming from Amazon and they all came together and I purchased them for $11 and look how many of them are coming and they're all so beautiful, not just for St. Patrick's. We can use this for spring decorations and it's such a good quality too. I wish those ribbon transfer sheets are larger because for this plank I'm gonna need more than one sheet. First, I added the first sheet and I'm just going over with the squeegee or scraper or whatever you like to call it and make sure that the whole transfer is on the plank. Then I'm adding the second sheet, doing the same thing. Make sure the whole plank is covered. Super simple and easy. I just love ribbon transfers. And then I'm just cutting a portion from the third sheet to finish the rest of the plank. After that, I'm just going over with the glass frame to see if it's gonna cover enough. And then I'm gonna be adding this beautiful boy and girl vintage, so cute. On the back, I glue it. I also cover it with one of those brown Dollar Tree sheets. I didn't record that, but I wanted to make sure that the back looked nice. And now I'm just adding this beautiful couple, boy and girl, and see which one is gonna look the best. And also those clinks are coming with clear glue sticks. And I'm just gonna add 2 sticks and I'm just gonna add them on top of the glass. And that's it. Super cute, very easy, only 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, and you can have a beautiful home decorations for your house, not just for St. Patrick's Day. You can use this for spring decor as well. Another Dollar Tree blank sign. I'm gonna be using those beautiful clover cutouts, wooden cutouts, also purchased from Amazon just for a couple of dollars, and see which of those prints gonna look the best. They got such a beautiful vintage look on them and I fall in love in all of them. I'm gonna be creating a garland using Dollar Tree beads. I use the colorful cream and a green beads and I'm gonna make a pattern with a twine. So adding a cream bead and then I'm gonna add a green bead and follow on. until the whole garland is filled and matched with these beautiful clover cutouts. Now that I got the whole garland set up, I want to make sure how to position them on my sign. I want to make sure I cover the twine on the back of the cutouts. Make sure they don't show well. And then I'm gonna just glue the edges of the twine on top of the sign, and that's it. Super simple and easy and beautiful decor. And as I said, not just for St. Patrick's Day, you can use this for spring decoration. It's such a beautiful vintage decor with all those beautiful children in there. I am in love with them. I have also glued just a little spot on the back clovers so they can stay on one place and be more sturdy, and that's about it for this DIY. Another Dollar Tree clover sign, and I love this. I love how vintage it looks. I love the colors. So after I remove the tag, I'm gonna be adding another 2 sets of those beautiful clover cutouts, and I'm gonna add them next to the large burlap clover, just like so. And I don't think I need to do anything else. After that, I'm just gonna remove that simple bow and I'm gonna make a more fancy bow. To make a bow, I'm using one of those fishnets ribbons from Dollar Tree. I just love those ribbons. And just a 2-loop simple bow, and I'm gonna tie it with the twine, and that's it. I have also made 2 simple small bows to cover the clover holes, and that's about it for this DIY. And for my last DIY, I'm using another Dollar Tree beaded garland tags. And also I'm going to be using some of those St. Patrick's Day cutouts, vintage cutouts. I also got those from Amazon just for a couple of dollars. I want to see which one is going to look the best on that tag. And that's it. We're going to glue it and decoupage it. Not just for St. Patrick's Day. Also, we can use this tag for spring as well. And as always, I always have a problem. I cannot choose which one I like better. And I think the dancing couple won this time. It's gonna be that one. And since these cutouts are stronger enough, I don't need to add a Mod Podge. I only need a glue on the back. And just to make it sturdy on top of it and seal it, I'm gonna decoupage it with a Mod Podge. And now I'm just gonna replace the beads. I'm gonna leave some of them, but also I'm gonna add more color to my beads. I'm adding a green beads from Dollar Tree. And as you can see, I am in love with green colors and all these beautiful St. Patrick's spring decor, whatever you like to call it. And I hope you like it. I just love anything that is vintage, and I think this vintage decor that I made today is so cute. And if you're planning to make some, please tag me. I would love to see your creations as well. And as I said, I'm just adding those green beads, and we're gonna make a pattern on our beaded garland. And that's it for this DIY. Super simple, very cute, and very high-end look. And I think it's gonna be an extra detail for my decor. When the beads are added, all I did is I simply tied the twine at the end. I didn't want it to make extra tassels and all that. I just wanted to leave it simple like it is. And here are all my creations today that I did for less than 5 minutes each. Anybody can do it. This is a beginner friendly tutorial as well. If you're trying to join us into creator world, you can try this. And I'm just going over to show you. I don't know if you can read those words here. It's just a funny quote, Irish quote, and I really love it. Before I let you go, I got so many cute videos coming up, and I hope you stick around. And my darlings, until our next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy, blessings, and God bless you all. From me to you. Bye-bye.